So, welcome guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, it's going to be a bit of a technical one. I want to actually take you guys on how I'm building out this admin dashboard, how I just updated our website. I'm going to give you the good news that we got for sure. And then I'll show you how, if you were an event organizer, how you would go through right now as is and creating an event and have it show up here on our app. So, but no more long talking, let's just get into it. Just want to say ahead of time, I'm a little bit under the weather, so sorry if I'm sniffing a bit too much, but the weather's changing. It's already fall here, it's getting a bit cold, so please bear with me throughout this video. First things first is, if you're an organization and you want to go ahead and create an event and you want to use our platform, first thing you would do once you reached out to us, we would make contact and have a conversation with you, look at the kind of event that you are trying to host, and then from there we would forward you on this Google form for you to fill out. We know it's not the best solution, but for right now it is the best solution. So let me show you how that form look. So yeah, this is where you would come. We have a little bit of instructions for you, so that if you do have any problems, you can refer to this. And also have the contacts down here for Eric, the CEO. He can help guide you through this as well. So this is just basically some of the information here that we would need. We would need a banner image, your event image, your event name, a little bit of a description of your event, where it's going to be, and basic information like that. So you would upload your banner image, your event image, your event name, your venue name, the venue address, description, bio, the max capacity of how much people should be let into your event, the event date, start time, end time, and any additional notes that you would want us to get. And then in this section here, this is where you would have different ticket groups. So let's say your event is going to have different types of sections. So you'd have VIP, general admission, platinum, and so forth. This is where you would be able to do that here. And this is just a bit of an overview of how it would look. So here you would, the event, the title, the ticket price, the ticket title, this is duplicated, sorry, but yeah, so it's just the ticket price and ticket title. And you can do this over and over. This is why there's so many. You can have VIP, platinum, general admission, and so forth. So basically that's how it would look. And once you're done creating your event here, we receive this information, and then we go on the back end, we create this ticket on the back end. And the special thing about those tickets are, the magical thing about those tickets are, each ticket is an NFT, right? But that's just the beginning of what this platform is going to be. So each ticket will be an NFT, and we're going to utilize those NFTs in a specific way later down in the future, which I will reveal then. But that's the gist of it. Each ticket is created, each ticket is an NFT. And then we then submit or create the event, and it shows up on our mobile app. So I'll show you how that looks now as well. Right. So once the event is created, you will see basically this is how it is right now. Right now it's not one for one with our designs. For right now, we have some stuff that we don't want to implement, so we're just keeping it kind of bare bones. So this is what it is right now. You have your profile. As you can see, I already bought some tickets, so each ticket will be each ticket belongs to a collection in your app. So let's see, what ticket do I have yet? I think I have each of one. I have one of each. Let's go to this one. I think I have a ticket for this. So you would click on your ticket. You would see your information, the bio, the time, what time it's going to start, where it's located, and you can go ahead and purchase a ticket. So let's go ahead and do that. This one only has one kind of ticket. Let's see if I can find another one that has a different kind of ticket, maybe graduation kind of ticket. So you can see here this one has two kinds of tickets. One is graduate, one is a non-graduate, and let's see if I can find just one more that maybe has a different kind. No, I don't know all of them, I guess. Okay, sure, let's just go with purchasing a ticket now. So let's say I want to go and attend this event. I would just go ahead and click buy now. How many tickets I want. Let's just get one. These ones are kind of cheap, it's only $1. And we would hit next, hit this, and then we would enter our payment information. This is configured to our Stripe right now, but I won't go ahead and purchase that. But once you purchase the ticket, let's release this one. You can go here and see all of your tickets. And so this is my ticket that's coming up for DuPont Mansion. And when I get to the door, oh, there's a bit of a bug there on that UI. No worries, we'll fix that. I get to the door, I generate this barcode, and then it's scanned and we're good to go. So that's basically the gist of it. It's pretty simple, I would say, in the way that it works, but in the back end is where the complication starts with, because every ticket is created on chain, and the way that that's done is a bit tricky. So we're pretty comfortable and happy how we implemented that. And this collectible section, this is where our NFTs will be implemented in the later version. So yeah, look out for that one. But yeah, that's basically how it is right now. So a user would, an event organizer would go ahead and create the events using the Google form, and then from there we go ahead in the back end and create the events. Each ticket is a NFT, and then users can go log into the app, purchase that ticket, and attend the event. So for right now, that's how the process is right now. But soon, in a few more weeks, this is how it's going to be here. So they'll have their own admin dashboard. They'll be able to go ahead and create their events here. And then all of this right now is just dummy data that I have, still working on it. It should be done within another week and a half, 2 weeks, I think, and then we'll be good to go. And then in the meantime, I'm also finishing up, because we just got, I guess I didn't tell you guys, so I'll tell you now. So we got accepted into that accelerator that we had applied for, where we created a video. And previous videos that I recorded, you saw where we basically explained what our product is to get accepted into that accelerator, and we happen to get accepted into it. I don't want to reveal the name of the accelerator just yet, because we still have to go ahead and sign the agreements in a few days. So after we already sign the agreements and everything else, then I'll reveal more about it. But yeah, basically in this accelerator, at the end of the accelerator, we have a chance of actually getting funded. Minimum of $100,000, so we're looking forward to that. That's pretty exciting. We're pretty happy to be excited too. So pretty excited to be accepted into this accelerator. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish building out this. I'm building two at the same time, but this website is going to be done within the next hour, I would say. It's pretty simple. It's the website I built, it's actually more than this, but I stripped it down a bit, so it's just basically an updated landing page, because the competition that we see inside the accelerator, we went and scoped out their landing pages and stuff. Theirs were a bit more nicer than ours, so we went ahead and updated ours so that it looks like this, and it's a bit better, so it's on par with the competition. But yeah, I'm going to finish this, and then I'm going to go ahead and finish working on the dashboard. And again, the dashboard, for those who don't know, I'm building it in Next.js using Tailwind and a bit of ShadCN and Redux for state management. Our mobile app, it's built in Flutter, and yeah, everything else is just built in Next.js, and the backend is in Golang. So yeah, that's basically our stack, what we're using. This is all I wanted to do, basically give you guys a good rundown of how our app actually works, what we're doing, functions, and where we're going, and what's going on with Soltix, basically. So that's it, all I have for you today. Just thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, please like the video, subscribe, and see you in the next one.